Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
What's up, guys? So I'm here at Walmart checking things out, and it looks like they finally stocked up on the Hot Wheels. So let's take a look at what they got. Pretty cool. Ooh, F case. Finally, man. Yeah, buddy. So I'm gonna start with this one here. Nice little Mustang Drifter. Pretty cool. Definitely taking this truck. Awesome. Let's see what else they have. Nice little Jeep Commander. I already have it. Gonna set this here for now. Ooh, check this one out, guys. Nice little convertible Corvette. Pretty cool. Definitely taking that one. And here we have the Duck and Roll. I already have it, and a bunch of other fantasy castings. This one's new. Looks like a Lego type car. Not bad. Definitely taking this color variation, the Triumph. Here we have the Tankinator. Not bad. This one I've been on the fence for quite some time. I'm just, I don't know. There's something about it that doesn't really catch my eye. So I'm going to leave those there. Here's another fantasy casting I don't care for. I'm going to set it here for now. And here we have another fantasy casting. And I'm already dropping stuff. There's another car that fell off the peg there. So, yeah, let me put these back really quick. And I'm going to shift these to this other side so that I could show you what else they have. Plus I have some Butterfingers. That doesn't help the situation either. Ooh, this is a cool little plane. I'm definitely taking that one. And here we have a Speedtail. Not bad, but I already have it. And here's another truck. I already took one. And ooh, check this one out, guys. This one's cool. Nice little color variation. Very, very nice. Digging everything about it, the rims and everything. So here's another Duck and Roll. Let me put it here, and here we have another quote-unquote game piece. This is the DOS. There was a red one that came out with the Uno. Now we have DOS, which means 2. And these things are already dropping like flies. As you can see, the duck already fell. So here we have Erkenstein, or Erkenstein, whatever. Here we have the Bunch of Steel. Not bad, but I don't care for it. And here we have another fantasy casting, and here's another one. Here we have another Tankinator. And very cool. Check this one out, guys. Nice little Porsche color variation. Definitely taking this one. Very cool. Let's see what else. Let me pick this up really quick before somebody says something. Let's see. Yeah, it's always good to pick up after yourselves, guys. You know, employees are more likely to help you out when you do that because you make their jobs easier. So be sure to pick up after yourselves. All right, let's see. Cool. Here we have another Mustang Drifter. This one's cool, but I don't care for that one. Oh, this one's cool. Nice Dodge truck. Taking that one. And here's another Mustang Drifter. Taking that one. And let's see. Already took that truck. This one I already have. Here's another Lego car or whatever. You could see the little sticking parts or whatever you call it. So I think I'm going to take one for my son. Here's another one. Here's another Triumph. I think I'm going to take another one. I'll leave that one there. Leave that one there. This one's cool. This was the Super Treasure Hunt for the Diecast. Check this one out, guys. This is the St. Patrick's Day car. 317. Make sure you guys wear green or you're going to get pinched. Okay, here's a Commander again. I already have it. Fantasy casting. Here's another fantasy casting. And here's another Dodge truck. Now let's take a look down here. Gotta go quickly, guys, because, you know, collectors start coming in and then they start asking questions. And here's another Triumph. And here's another Jeep Commander. Let's see what else they have. Ooh, this one's pretty cool. Nice little recolor. Now we have this one in gray. I'm gonna set this here for now. I might take it though. Another fantasy casting and another one. And here's another Ford Transit. I think I'm gonna take it. So here we have this one, Corvette Stingray 64. Too bad it has a damaged card, but I'm gonna leave it there. Hopefully I find another one. Let's see what else they have over here. Oops, I'm already dropping stuff again. And nothing else that I care for. So let me see what else they have. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. I was just making a big mess and I wanted to pick after myself. So looks like they have factory 500s. So hopefully they have a full set. Okay. Cool. Okay, cool. Another one. There's a Cadillac. Very cool. This Corvette is really cool, actually. Very cool. Let's see up here. From Cadillac, Camaro, Mustang. Here's another Mustang. Here's another Corvette. Oops. And another Mustang. Yeah, it looks like yeah, there's a few of them missing. The Porsche being one of them. Yeah, here's a full set. Yeah. So let's take a look around. Looks like that's pretty much it, guys. If I see anything else, I'll be back with you. Alright guys, so as I was walking along the other toy aisles, I came across this other Hot Wheels section, so let's get digging. Very cool. I'm gonna take one of these. I'm gonna take one of these. Here's fantasy casting. Don't care for that one or this one. Here's a cool little dirt bike. Don't collect them, so I'm gonna leave it there. Oh, nice. 64 Stingray in a decent card. Definitely gonna take that one. Here's the Erskine. Oh, nice. Check this one out, guys. Definitely gonna take that one. There's that famous Grand Cross that I don't care for. Fantasy casting. Triumph free color. Here's the Corvette Asada. Corvette convertible. That Corvette Asada has some pretty cool deco, but I don't collect them. This one's cool. I already took a couple. Let's see. Fantasy casting. Here's an Uno car. I've never cared for this particular casting. Jeep Commander. This one's pretty interesting. It's cool that you could add some more Lego pieces onto it, so not a bad casting. I already took one. This one's pretty cool. I already have a couple of them. Buns of Steel. Here's a Speedtail. I already have a couple of them. Fantasy casting. Duck and Roll. I already have one. Another fantasy casting. Gonna put that over here. Oops, I'm already dropping stuff. Sorry guys. Let me pick these up really quick before somebody says something or somebody steps on them by accident. So let's see. Here's another Lego car. Fantasy casting. Erkenstein. Fantasy casting. Cool little Mustang Drifter. Very cool. Let's see what else they have. Here's another airplane. I already took one. There's another Mustang Drifter. Here's a nice little quad. Man, I've got some butterfingers today, man. Let's see. Another fantasy casting. Fantasy casting. This one I already have. Oops, I'm already dropping some stuff. Yeah, I'm trying to go as quickly as I can before other collectors come in and then they start asking questions and they want to see what you got and blah blah blah. So I'm trying to get out of here as soon as I can, guys. So let's see what else they have. Ooh, cool. Definitely gonna take one of these. And I already took one of those. I already took one of those. I already have a couple of those. Let's see. I already took one of those. I already took one of those Dodge trucks. I already have a couple of those Corvettes. I'm going to take another one of these. Can never have enough gassers. There's another Mustang. Bad plane in blue. Pretty cool fantasy casting. Ooh, nice. Check this one out, guys. Very cool. Definitely going to take that one. And there's another Mustang Drifter. Here's a hauler. And there's a Kia. Already have a couple. There's another Triumph, Jeep Commander, and a Dodge truck. Very cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna dig in there. Hopefully I find something. If I find something, I'll let you know. If not, you guys take care. God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Say what you wanna say.